Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove a stock quantity as example on Prestashop in 2024. Of course, this can be very useful if you don't want to show, like as example, the exact number of items left in stock for a product on your products page. Maybe it's rare, maybe I don't know for what specific reason you have, but let's just dive into the steps to remove the stock's quantity and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, you'll need to go and access your back office. For me, I'll open a browser, I'll open my demo. For you, of course, if you make sure to go and access the back office of your Presta shop. And of course, if you don't know like how to install it, I've already made a video about it. I'll even show you I'll show you an article. So just type here install like Presta shop on localhost, so you can install it on your own computer if you want to, so you don't have to pay a penny for a localhost for a hosting provider or something like that to install Prestashop. As you can see, follow the steps. Here's the steps like outlined if you know how to do them. If you don't, there's the exact details in here. Once you do all of that, you'll have access to your front and back like office. And yeah, so for me, I'll just go here and try to access the back office. Of course, it will be a little bit slow, so bear with me because it's just a demo. And click on login. Of course, you should be logged into your account also for you. So now, once we access our back office, of course, we will have to go navigate into catalog and the list bar, and then click on products. This will take you to the product management page where you have all your product listed in there. From there, you will need to find the products for which you want to remove the stock quantity from. Display, you can, of course, you can like use the search bar or browse through a list of products, especially if you have a lot. And once you find the products that you want, click on it to open the products detail page. And there you will see, of course, previous tabs such as information, prices, SEO, and etc. In the product details, click on option tab. And this tab contains settings related to the display of the products. Scroll down to find visibility section. In this section, so example here, it's opened. I'll just go to catalog, products in here. Look for the product that I want as an example. So example, this one, I'll just go to this one, this customizable mug. And here, basically, as you can see, I have a lot of details about it. So all I need to do here, if you go here to stocks as an example, you'll find like stocks, edit quantity. As you can see, add or subtract items. So minimum quantity, of course, for sale is 1. So as you can see, I have here the quantity, but I want to remove it. So how can I remove it so people will not be able to see? But you'll need, of course, to add something so people will have access to it. So, for example, you'll need to add this label when stock is on and label when out of stock. So, for example, if it's in stock, you can simply just type here in stock so people will know. And if it's not in stock out, you can simply just type out of stock so people will know and you don't buy it when it's out of stock or when it's in stock. So just keep that in mind. Of course, here you can simply subtract items, remove items or add items. But as you can see, this will not do anything to the quantity. But as we said, we need to remove the quantity. So here, as you can see, you'll be able to edit the quantity if you want to, but we don't want to edit the quantity. We want people should not be able to see it. So all you need to do here, simply go to the options tab, as you can see. And here, as you can see, if we go available for order, show price, web only, and choose the supplier associated with the products as accessories supplier, fashion supplier, default supplier as example also, and the currencies like supplier reference, cost price with tax excluded, and visibility like everywhere, catalog only, share only, or search only, or nowhere, which is customer can access the products by browsing the catalog using the search bar or the link. Also, you can make it online or offline, as you can see. So let me just make it here. And all you need to do simply just turn off this available for order. So people will not be able to see the stock if this is not enabled. Even if it said here available for order, of course you can show price or remove it. Of course, normally people would like to show the price. And we've only not sold in your retail store example, you can enable or disable to do whatever you want. Other than that, you can change whatever you want in this option settings and you should be good to go. And of course, if this does not satisfy you, you can simply just go to shop parameters, product settings. Here, if you scroll down to the bottom, enable this stock management, and you'll be able to disable that. So people will not be able, or sorry, not this one, sorry, this one, disable available quantity of the products page. You can enable it or disable it, whatever you want. If you disable it though, it will be disabled for all the products, not just one products. So keep that in mind. So click on save and publish. You can view the store and see if everything is working as intended, and it should be good to go. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.